week's or this week. I already made the next week's or this week's, beginning on 1st of March till the 7th of March, meal plan, and I went grocery shopping yesterday. I already did the cooking, and I'll show you now how I'm going to freeze it. It was roasted chicken, and as you can see, there are, oops, sorry, this is the code. Talk about it in a minute. 4 chicken thighs. These 2 are going to be kept in the fridge, and I'm going to eat them the next 2 days. These 2 are going to the freezer. They've all spent the night in the fridge to make sure they are really cold, and now they are going to the freezer. I had some carrots, 4 carrots that needed to be used, so I made myself some carrot cake. I sliced them. These are in the freezer. Happened to spend the night there, are going back, and that one was in the fridge, and I'm going to eat them between today and tomorrow. And the cake was a way to use the carrots that would go bad if I didn't, because I already have frozen carrots cut in the freezer. It wouldn't bring any more benefit to put more carrots in the freezer. The other thing from this meal plan is the cod. So I cooked the cod, I put it in the plate, and I left the water. I put the water in this container, and I left them separated until the water was cold. When the water was cold, I put the cod back in, otherwise it would be extremely dry. I will cook myself some cabbage. I will dice some onions and add it to a bowl with garbanzo beans, with a bit of this water heating up, the cod sliced in small pieces, and I will have that with the cabbage. The other part of the cod, as you can see, are 2 pieces. One piece is going to be for 2 meals, like the one I just described, and the other bit is going to be to make cod abrash, bacalhau, which takes chips, and I don't even remember what else, but it's kind of made in the stove. I don't know. When I do it, I'll show you. So I will eat those 2 meals in the first part of the week, and so I will pick the tomorrow. I will use one to make one of the meals, and the other one I will freeze in this container to be used only on the second part of the week, because it's better off when it's fresh.